Hey everyone, welcome to another YouTube video. Hi, this is Bhumi and thank you for being here. So to the ones who are new to my channel, please don't go without subscribing and also watch the whole video. Okay, so in this video I will be showing you my 2021 favorites that I got at the starting of the year, and still I'm using this, and I will be giving you my honest reviews. So yeah, keep on watching. Also one more thing, this video is not at all sponsored. I'm very new to YouTube, so abhi to sponsored videos aane mein time hai. Okay, so yeah, let's just start with the video. And the first thing that I got is, that I have been using is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift. Everyone knows about this, and of course everyone knows about this. So Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence, and this is I just love this product. This is so good. And to the ones who are watching this and who are used to use this, so yeah, you all also know how amazing this product is. So the second product that I have is the Inside Cosmetics primer, and basically I've started using the primer very recently. I guess I got this 2-3 months back, and 2-3 months back only I started using the primer, because I don't know how to do makeup, only the basic things I do. And so I didn't really knew the importance of using primer, because I don't know. Okay, come on. So yeah, I've started using this very recently, and this is the primer. I'll open it and show you. This is the second purchase, second time I'm using this. This is nice, and this is affordable. This is for 250 rupees, and does its job. In my previous videos also I have told you all, this is very non-sticky, and this works for me, right? The third thing that I have is again from the Inside Cosmetics. There's Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer, and it's been months since I've used this products, got my hands on this, and I really like this. And first I used the beige one, and this is the first time that I'm using this orange corrector one. This is in the shade Golden Russet. This is 07 Golden Russet, and before that I've used the Sun Beige one. It has the shades all here, the Sun Beige one. And when I was just ordering it, so the Sun Beige one was out of stock, so I thought of giving a try to the orange one. So yeah, I've got this. And next product is my random purchase from Nykaa. I just thought of giving it a try. I knew this would be so good. This is the Bronson Professional Beauty Blender Sponge, and I am completely in love with this. This is so soft, blends perfectly. Yeah, I have also used this. Ganda hai, bahut ganda hai, but whatever. So also, if you, after seeing this video, if you are also think of giving anything a try, then you can go and check my description. I will link everything in my description box. Okay, so yeah, this is for 250 rupees. I hope you all can see this. Okay, so let's move on to the next up I have is another one from the L'Oreal Paris, the Revitalift. There's hyaluronic acid serum, and this is another one that I have, that has got into my favorites list. And yeah, this is so cute. You see this is also the mini size that I have got, because this I have started using a month before, and just a month before, and so I just wanted to try it. So I got the smaller one. This was for, I guess, $4.99. This comes in 2 sizes. Everyone knows this, of course. Everyone knows about this also. Same brand, and that is the L'Oreal Paris. There's Revitalift Hyaluronic Plumping Cream Day. This I've been using also past 1 month, and I've got everything in this 15 ml pack. Yeah, this is so cute. You see this? Wow. Okay, so yeah, I have used this. This smells perfect. Next up I have is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. Again, in my previous video I told you how much I love this product. This is super pigmented, and I have also used this to try a eye look. So also you can just go and watch my videos. Okay, I think I should swatch it and show you the pigmentation. Okay, let's start with the golden part. Wow. I'm taking very light, but then also you see how pigmented this is. Okay, so yeah, if you also liked the shades, very nude shades, they are also has a glitter golden part. So yeah, I use this. Okay, so the next thing that I have is again from the Swiss Beauty. There is the Swiss Beauty Fixer. It is long lasting with vitamin E and aloe vera. I love this and I use this only. Okay, so the next thing that I have is this NY Baker eyeliner, and this is 6 ml. You see this is 6 ml, but I have bought this at the starting of this year and this is still not over, and I use this like so much, so much. Right now also I'm wearing it. So yeah, ये खत्म ही नहीं होता. This is so छोटू सा, but whatever, I don't know what it has in it, but सच में खत्म नहीं होता. Before this I used to use that pen liner, that pen वाला of course. So after this I use this, और बहुत टाइम हो गया है eyeliner खरीदे हुए क्योंकि खत्म नहीं होता. Okay, so next up I have is this mascara from Rimmel London, and this is their Scandalized Reloaded mascara. It's also one of my favorites. Okay, so the next thing that I will show you guys right now is a very glitter and a very cute, very packaging wala thing. So yeah. Okay, so next is this Swiss Beauty Professional Face and Eye Brush. God, you can't see this or this is the brush, and I so wanted to get makeup brush, but I thought, I don't know, so let's just get some useful ones. So yeah, this is the packaging. I love the packaging, and till now I've not thrown the till now I've not thrown the package. This is so good. Also, I love the brush. This is so soft. This is, और ये थोड़ा गंदा है because I've used it while doing my makeup. This is the blush brush, and I also use this for doing my powder part while I apply powder. Then this has the foundation brush. Again, I've used this. Then there are 4 eye brushes, which are also very soft, very useful, and trust me, all this is so soft, you won't hurt your eyes, neither your face while doing your makeup. And yeah, I really like this. I got this from Purple. I don't remember इसका exact price. I guess it was on sale or something, but I got this for $6.39. So the last thing is this ring light. I am a beginner right now, so I really didn't know where to in which ring light or tripod to invest my money in. But yeah, I am happy with this thing. This was around 300, and right now also I'm using this. Ring light. Then I will link this in my description. You can go and check out. This is affordable and this is proper. I use it abhi tak, and on 26th May I started my YouTube, and since then abhi tak to ye bahut achhe se chal raha hai, so it's a thumbs up. Okay, so before ending this video, I thought of showing you guys one thing. This is a very cute stuff that I got from Instagram. This is from Cookies and Dreams. they have their Instagram page, and they have such cute products on their page. This is also the scrunchie I got from them, and let me show you. The packaging is so cute with a cute note. Color that I've got in 3 sizes. Ta-da! I personally love the quality. The material is so nice, and yeah, these are so cute and stylish at the same time. So I will also link about Cookies and Dreams in my description. So if you are looking for customized and good mask, and also a few things for your pet, if you have a pet, then go check it out. So this was it for this video. I hope you like it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm so happy that we have reached 200 subscribers. I'll end my video here. I love the scrunchie. Okay, I will see you next time in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.